Let's see how to change free domain name in Hostinger. So right now we are in the Hostinger HPanel dashboard. From here we will click on websites. Here you can see that we have a free domain for this site, and it is also showing that current domain is temporary. So we need to change this domain. So we are going to click on change domain from here. So click on I understand and then click on change. Now we need to add a new domain name here. Let's say you want to purchase a new domain name from Hostinger, then you can search it here. Here you will see the domain availability as well as the price for your domain. You can select the domain from here, and after that you can easily purchase it. But let's say you have purchased a domain from GoDaddy or anywhere else. Just add the domain name here, and here it will show you a notification. Do you own this domain? Use it. So I'm going to select my domain. So as you can see that it is showing that this domain is registered at another provider. You will have to verify you own it when you connect it to your site. It is very easy to point a domain to Hostinger. Let's say you have purchased a domain from GoDaddy. Go to godaddy.com. Select your domain name, and there you will find the name servers. Just change the GoDaddy name servers to these name servers and your domain will be connected to Hostinger. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.